Hello and welcome to ET Auto. Today, we are at one of the four manufacturing facilities of Steelbird helmets here in Baddi, Himachal Pradesh. Steelbird makes 30,000 helmets a day, and with 8 million plus units in the last financial year, they were the market leaders. Today, we have Mr. Rajeev Kapur with us to take us through the manufacturing facility, talk about the company's legacy and the vision ahead.
So we are 60 years old brand, okay. So you can count, I think so you cannot count 100 brands which are older than 60 years, really. So we have a legacy. So our main motive is that nobody should die wearing our helmet. This is our main motive. And we are a family organization. We treat everybody like a family. We believe in relationships. Yes, we are professional, but all our distributors, suppliers are like a family. So we work like a family, not only to make money, but to grow everybody. Those who are joined with us, those who are associated with us, to all our staff, to all our employees, that they all should grow. All distributors should grow, all suppliers should grow, and the company should grow all together. So when we started making the helmets, we used to make with the hand moldings. Then after hand moldings, we had injection moldings, then balloon moldings, carbon fiber technology. Now people are looking, helmet being a safety product, it is an artistic product too. It is a fashion product too. So we have 35,000 SKUs, lot of colors, graphics, different color of visor, different color of helmets, different kinds of graphics with chrome, with glitter, with reflector, with glow in the dark, with interiors like reach resistor, sweat absorber, hygienic, okay, anti-allergic, reflective fabrics, different kind of buckles, titanium buckle. It's a fashion industry now. So helmet industry is changing a lot, a lot. So everybody is going towards a brand, towards a safety, and towards a fashion and a good quality product.
So maintaining such a huge portfolio and keeping in check all the regulations, safety measures, everything. So what are the challenges that a typical helmet manufacturer or Steelbird, being one of the leaders, face?
So if you talk about the challenges, first challenge is that we do everything in white, but other companies do black. So this is the big challenge we have. Second, our products are expensive because we also pay 18% GST. Being a helmet, a safety product, it should not be under an 80% GST. It should be under 5 or 12% GST. So that is also a challenge. If the GST will be reduced, the product will become economical and people will buy a good quality product in economical price. Then helmet is a volumetric product. We have 1.5 million square feet carpet area. We have 15 lakh square feet carpet area. It's a highly capex intensive product. You have incredible machinery, okay, huge investments in molds, in machinery. Then it is also a labor intensive product. You require a lot of manpower and that too a very skilled manpower. Because if you talk about a graphic, each graphic is 100 rupees and it's applied with the hand with the water. If you crack, you lost 100 rupees. So that's also a big challenge for industry. Then to develop one helmet, you take 1.5 to 2 years with investment of 1.5 crores to 2 crores. In some helmets, it's 3 years period and 3 crores investment. So that is also a very challenge to produce a good quality product, to launch a good helmet.
So what's the Steelbird's vision, like say next 5 years? Or do you believe in having a next 5 years vision or anything?
Yes. All in next 5 years, what all product we have to launch, we are already working on that. Complete team is working on that, and we know in 5 years these all products we will launch. We will reach to 25 million production in next 5 years for sure. Now we are producing 30,000 helmets a day these days. By September we will reach to 50,000 helmets a day. In last financial year we have done 711 crores revenue. We have produced more than 8 million helmets. This year we will produce more than 10 million helmets. We don't say that we have a competitors, okay? We don't compare ourselves with any brand, not at all. Because we have a very unique product. unique feature. I told you we are a family oriented company. We have a vision that nobody should die wearing our helmet. Okay, our products are designed in Europe. We have our strong R&D team, and it's the people who are working with us are working from years and years and years. Nobody leaves Steelbird ever. It's like a family. Nobody. So we have a very good team and we are launching those products. So we have no competition. If you see our helmets, we always innovate new things. So we don't have a competition for those. So like we launched Breeze on helmet. No one has launched this kind of helmet before. We launched HF helmet. Nobody has launched this helmets before. We have NACA technology helmets. Nobody has in the world. So we always do things differently, which nobody has in the world.
So you were talking about the next 5-year plan, about the R&D and everything. So how much time does usually a single product takes to develop?
To develop one helmet, it took 1.5 to 2 years. And to top quality helmets, it takes 3 years. The investment is 1.5 crores to 3 crores.
For a single product?
One product for one helmet. And then you do not know that market will like that product or not. It's happened in the cars, it's happened everywhere. You launch the car in India, but sometimes people don't like it. And thousands of crores have been get wasted.
So talking about circular economy and sustainable production practices, lean manufacturing, what is Steelbird doing for that, sir?
Yes, we have all ETB plants here. We control all pollution norms, though in helmet industry there is no pollution, but still we have ETB plants. We are in Himachal, and Himachal government is already very strict towards the pollution. We have temples in each and every factory. We have crutch in each and every factory. We have 24 hours ambulance services, everything we have. So we are doing exports since many years. All helmet industry is my friend. We are exporting components to all helmet industry. Now in November in ECMA, we are going, it's an automotive show, biggest automotive show of the world. So we are going to launch 36 model under a Ignite brand.
At ECMA?
Yes, for all over the world. And the same product which we are producing for Europe, United States, the same product we will give to Indian market. There will be no differentiate between the Indian or European production. Will be the same.
So in the last financial year, you said Steelbird produced more than 8 million helmets.
Yes.
So how does it translate to the market share?
So if you talk about our market share, the branded market share will be 2.5 million helmets as per me. And we produce 8 million. So it's more than 32.5% approximately. This year we will cross 35%. That is for sure in a branded segment. But there is 2.5 million helmet producers who are producing fake helmets are also there. They are putting ISA mark and they are also 2.5 million. So 2.5 million helmets every year on the head are fake, are 100% fake.
So a lot of technology is involved in developing a product in the R&D process. So I'd like to share some information regarding the same, like what all sort of certifications Steelbird is doing, what it is doing for the premium customers or the helmets that are exported, what kind of certifications they're carrying, what kind of technology is being involved.
So like we have a high-end brand that is Ignite and we also producing helmets for European brands. So we launched Ignite brand with 3 certification, ISI, DOT and European standard in one helmet. So all Ignite helmets will be dual certified or 3 homologation or ISI DOT or ISI DOT and EC. That will be for sure. So we are giving the high-end product to a high-end customer too. We are also launching carbon fiber helmets, which we will launch in ECMA. Within 4 months, 5 months, you will have a carbon fiber helmets from us, which will be costing 15,000 rupees.
Okay, so those will be sold in India as well?
Yes, it's the same product which we are exporting, we will be selling to Indian customers.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. So out of the total business, what is the percentage of export business?
So right now the export business is very less, but what we are forcing that in 2 years we will cross 100 crores just for exports.
Thank you so much. Thanks for the time, sir.
Thank you.